Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine and enjoying life well. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some beautiful crochet fingerless glove design ideas. Whether you are beginners or a seasoned crocheter, I've got you covered. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Simple fingerless gloves. These are a great option for beginners. They are easy to make and can be customized with different colors and patterns. Ribbed fingerless gloves. These are a bit more advanced than simple fingerless gloves, but they're really extremely easy to make. This ribbing gives them a bit of stretch and make them more comfortable to wear. Open work fingerless gloves. These are a great way to show off your crochet skill. The open work design makes them lightweight and airy, perfect for wearing in warm weather. Color block fingerless gloves. They are fun and stylish way to add some personality to your outfit. You can choose any color that you like and arrange them in a way that you want. Dainty fingerless gloves. These are a great way to add a touch of elegance to your outfit. They are made with fine yarn and delicate stitches. And they are perfect for special occasions. No matter what your skill level or style, there are crochet fingerless gloves design out there that are perfect for you. So get creative and have fun. Here are some specific example of crochet fingerless gloves that you could make. You could make pair of simple fingerless gloves with a single color of yarn. You could make a pair of brief fingerless gloves with two colors of yarn. You could make a pair of often work summer fingerless gloves with a variety of colors and patterns. You could make a pair of color block fingerless gloves with your favorite color. You could make a pair of dainty fingerless gloves with fine yarn and delicate stitches. They're just few ideas to get you started with a little creativity. You could also make pair of fingerless gloves that are truly unique. So what are you waiting